Got myself a Lumi boost and I'm going to use it, brother. Once you get to level 15 of mastery, you get 2 of them. So I guess use them wisely. Alright, alright. And it's on. We're gonna spend 15 minutes trying to get a shiny. Alright. Oops. I forgot I don't need a kill them. So, yeah. That was a waste of time. All we gotta do is try them out. Well, I got a lot. You get a lot of Lumi boost for free. So yeah, I guess it's the perfect opportunity to try one on stream, on video, or something like that. This recording is good, but I can only use it on the computer. So whenever we do mobile series, I can't really use it. But whatever. And yeah, why am I killing them? Well, he is close to level 26. Maybe I want to make him level 26, I don't know. So he's green when he's shiny. Well, I'm going to call him shiny because I play a lot of Pokemon. And the other one I think is red. And the rare one's also red. I found a corrupt one of them before. Sucked because it was so purple and I loved it. You know, this game, you can't catch corrupted Pokemon. Yay. Whatever. If you can get one, that'll be cool. If you can't, then whatever. Chose this place in specific because he has 2 evolution lines. And there's also a rare one, so if I get him as a shiny, I will be sick. Actually, really. So again, if you guys are trying to go get your Lumi tokens, I know for sure you can get one at level 1, level 5, and level, I think, level 15. You actually get 2 in level 15, but still. Can you go away?
The asshole.
You're funny. Alright. Well, since I found a new recording software for mobile and I found a good setting for playing this game, no lie, this game does not go well with computer players. If you're a mobile player, you got a lot of access. You can't even go up or down, just only left or right with the camera. So whatever. I just do follow camera feature, but that's a setting. And I'm not having to worry about the camera, because the camera's following me. And that's great. So I guess we can start the second part of it in my main account for once. My main account is just beaten the first battle theater. And he's about to reach the second one. So yeah, he's not so far behind. Alright. This is gonna be a time. I got like 15 advanced discs, so I don't think I'm gonna be feeling any right now. Or 14, I don't know, because I just recently got a good one. A good catch. I mean, I know it's still a 1 out of 200, so it's not guaranteed, but it's pretty high still. Considering how I'm doing, like, probably like 40 or 50 encounters in that 15-minute mark. So yeah. Pictures of this cave specifically, because literally anyone again in this cave, I don't really give I guess you could say a damn. Because they're all useful in their own ways. There's also this other thing I don't remember the name of, but it's basically getting a gleaming with a little effect on it. That has like this ball thing rolling on it. So that's cool. Be green, my boy. Green. I'm not sure if you can get well, this one increases gleaming chance, not a roaming chance. If I get him, then I'm going to use this gleam, the rest of the gleaming chance on that turkey thing. I don't know the name of. I'm rallying him in the thingy because he's kind of rare. So kind of because he ain't rare as the one here, but you can't find him that easily. Alright, let's see how this goes. Got like 5 minutes on the boost and nothing. Whatever. Still time. So here the chance to get what's called, let's see, I don't know the name of it. That new thing that they added. Forgot the name of it. This was that circle ball effect thingy. Here it's even higher than shiny Pokemon's rate in the Pokemon series. So that sucks for anyone who's trying to get that. If you get that, then I guess you got yours. It's like 1 out of 20,000 chance of it appearing in the wild. And like I think 1 in 10,000 chance if you rallied it. So yeah. Alright. I think that guy's trying to get 1 gym badge, 2 gym badges. See, we got 2 minutes and 40 seconds remaining on that. Ooh, I'm catching that one, that's for sure. Now that one is a rare one, dude. If you get Igneel, then you're pretty set. I'm catching him for the mastery level.
Yo, this guy's easy.
Alright. So, I hope you don't kill him, but
Yo,
you
they
shouldn't.
fucking nerf. I swear, I didn't nerf the health of the Guardians, and I'm happy because it makes it quick and to the point. That was too fast. I think I cutscene for it. Yeah, I don't know where you didn't need him.
Alright. Guess 3 normal discs.
Oh, there we go.
1. Same in the hyper disc for the shinies. So we're gonna do normal disc. 1, 2, 3, and should grab it.
Oh, wait,
And because of that, I should get a mastery level. Nope.